Question number 7. A given coin has a mass of 3 gram. Calculate the nuclear energy that would be required to separate all the neutrons and protons from each other. What is binding energy? Binding energy is the energy required to bound all the nucleons in particular nucleus. So the energy which is required separate all the neutrons and protons from each other, which is equal to binding energy. Okay, so indirectly in this question we'll find binding energy only. For simplicity, assume the coin is entirely made up of copper 29 and total mass is given in AMU. So first of all, as we know, copper has 29 protons, 63 minus 29, which is 34 neutrons. For binding energy, we will require delta mc square. Delta m is mass defect. So first of all, we'll get the mass defect of copper 63. So delta m is equal to Zmp plus Nmn minus total mass. Z, that is 29, mass of proton 1.007825. Here in this question, nothing is given about mass of proton and mass of neutron, so we have to memorize it or practice it more and more time, you will get it. 1.007825 plus 34 neutron, 1.008665 minus total mass. Delta m mass defect is 0.591935 AMU. Again, if answer delta m is atomic mass unit, then we'll multiply with 931.5 mega electron volt. So after multiplication we'll get 551.39 mega electron volt. Okay, now this much energy is required to separate protons and neutrons in copper nucleus, but here 26 copper 26 or 29 sorry. So here copper 29 63. Okay, so this much energy is required for the 63 gram of substance, but in question we have given 3 gram only, so we have to convert it into 3 gram. So we have a standard format for that. Mass of copper, which is 63 gram. In mass of copper 63 gram, number of atom is equal to Avogadro number. So 3 gram, how much number of atoms in that? So we can write mass of copper is equal to number of atoms in copper. So mass is 63 gram, 6.023 into 10 raised to 23. Then how much for 3 gram? So multiply 3 into Avogadro number upon 63. So we'll get number of atom is equal to 2.87 into 10 raised to 22 atoms. Okay. So binding energy already we have find it 551.39. We have to multiply it with number of atoms. So again 551.39 into 2.87 into 10 raised to 22, which is equal to mega electron volt. So if we have to convert it into joule, mega means 10 raised to 6, 1 eV is equal to 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 joule. After the multiplication we'll get 2.53 into 10 raised to 19 joule. So if we want to separate all the proton and neutron of 3 gram of copper coin, we will require 2.53 into 10 raised to 19 joule. Okay.